Good morning, everyone.
What's up, guys?
Welcome to All Local Cleanup Party number 16.
And number 1 for baby Prana.
We took a few month hiatus from the All Local Cleanup Parties to raise this little one. She is now 5 months old and has just crossed her first country, Peru.
Yep, we are in a little town called Pisac, Peru today.
In the Sacred Valley, right near Machu Picchu. We've been camping out, looking for a place to stay. And this has been a very tranquil parking lot where all the tour buses come. And we felt like giving back to it. We've already done some good road karma, picking up some nails. I don't know why there's so many nails, but I picked up maybe a dozen and a half of them so far.
On this whole trip, hundreds. It doesn't make any sense.
Just encouraging you all to clean up your spaces wherever you're at, wherever you're living. Doesn't matter if it's a parking lot that's not even yours, or a friend's place, or a park, or your own home, or just your own room. The earth, the space gives a reward back.
Although the litter might not be your fault, it's all of our responsibility.
All right, let's get started.
Finishing up.
All in all, a successful cleanup party. There's always more garbage, we find, and I do another run through and find even more. But the space in which we've been occupying is close to spotless. I think we picked up 98 to 99% of all the garbage.
Yeah, we also found some treasure.
Oh yeah. Catherine got the winner with pretty much an ancient artifact. I'm sure it's more modern day than ancient, but it looks kind of ancient and it feels kind of ancient.
Jesse also found a spoon.
A little sugar spoon.
And a crystal. It looks like a piece of quartz.
It stood out to me.
As well as this piece that could be turquoise or something. We need to clean it up.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I found some sort of kind of rare stone of some type.
I found a poop from a hat, though I don't know how much of a treasure that is. And we both found a marble each and a interesting looking bead each.
Yeah. There's treasure everywhere.
It's true.
And how do you feel? How do you feel throughout the whole thing and now?
I feel better. I feel better now. I was feeling a little bit tired before, and now I feel more ready for the day. I feel hungry, ready for breakfast.
Yeah,
but yeah,
same.
I feel better about being here in this space now that it's cleaner, and we kind of left our energy signature in the area.
Yeah, and we're holding space that though this might not be as impactful as some of our other cleanup parties were, still that energy leaves a ripple. Believe in your ripple effect. Who knows, maybe we'll wake up tomorrow, hold space for it, and people will be inspired to clean up more themselves.
Yep, I hold space.
Yep. Thanks, y'all. Please support our journey. Please support these all local cleanup parties and all the different things that we're doing while we drive around the whole world. The Unite the World Firsthand Global Movement. By reaching out to us, and particularly if you want to support us, you can become a patron or even more preferred private sponsor and just pay us monthly through PayPal, Venmo, or CashApp. You can reach out to us via email, info@fullcirclephenomenal.com, or WhatsApp +1 360 601 0826. Click one of these video links to see more of our journey, as well as the All Local Cleanup Party playlist.
We will keep going around the world inspiring you to clean and clear internally as well as externally over the next 4 to 5 years on the Unite the World Firsthand Global Movement.
Thanks for watching.